Hey, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today we are going to take a look at a beautiful 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport in the SE trim and a beautiful blue exterior. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, is all-wheel drive, has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. Last owner was a personal vehicle, so we're going to take a look at this vehicle starting in the front. This Outlander is equipped with high-intensity headlights here, followed up by fog lights integrated into the lower bumper with some nice chrome and brushed aluminum accents up front to break the front apart. You can see that split grille here, top and bottom. Coming around with the wheel and tire setup, you have a nice 2-tone alloy wheel here from Mitsubishi, like new tires, brakes, and rotors all the way around here at All Things Automotive. We'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. Coming up to the outside mirrors, you can see you do have turn signal indicators integrated into that mirror cap. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Looking into the interior, you can see you have a black and brushed aluminum color scheme here, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. You do have some high gloss black elements, which makes it a really nice touch. Premium cloth seating. And let's go ahead and take a look at the multi-point inspection sheet. Keep in mind, on every vehicle here at All Things Automotive, you can find these online on the website or in the vehicles. So it looks like the tires are 10-30 seconds, rear and front pads are 11 and 30 seconds, so you are green, good to go. Looking into the rear of the vehicle, you will see you have plenty of space here, back for leg, hip, shoulder room for a nice mid to compact size SUV. You will have a fold down cup holder as well. No flow through center console, but keep in mind this is an SC, more of a base model, but it does have a lot of great value features I'm gonna go over. Opening the liftgate, you will find a nice privacy cover and seats that do fold down on an 80-20 split. So if you don't need the back seat, you'll have plenty of cargo space. Coming along the driver's side, you will notice that you do have passive door entry with just the push of a button. As long as your keys are on your persons, you can lock or unlock your vehicle with the push of a button. I also wanted to mention it does have blind spot monitoring along with the turn signal indicators integrated in that mirror cap. So let's go ahead and get in the driver's seat and check it out. To my left, you will notice all the power door locks and windows and the mirror adjustments as well. So let's go ahead and start it up. I have the key on me, push button start. A couple features to the left I'd like to go over. Some nice safety features, which along goes with that value. Okay. Looks like you have front end collision alert, lane keep assist, and then you have your blind spot monitoring as well. Coming up to the center cluster here, you can see just under 68,000 miles on this Outlander. Okay, you will have all your buttons here mounted on the steering wheel. Here's more for your audio, and this is your cruise control. It looks like we got turn signals to the left and then wipers to the right. One thing I do like about this vehicle, Mitsubishi does a great job of the high gloss black surrounding the infotainment center here. Let's check out, we got home, pair your phone, different settings you can adjust in there as well. Making our way down to the climate control, pretty simple. 3 buttons there for your temperature, your fan speed, and then the direction of the airflow. Coming down below, looks like you have 2 USBs, heated front seats, and you have 2 options for that, a high and a low, and traction control off. Followed up by a 12-volt power supply there, and then there's your 4-wheel drive button. Nice comfortable shifter here with a low mode right there and a sport mode as well. You can shift up or down depending on your terrain. Followed up by a good old hand emergency brake, 2 cup holders, and nice deep storage. Coming up top here, you will notice you have a lighted vanity on your driver's side and a lighted vanity on your passenger side as well. I will say there are no rips, stains, tears, or odors in this vehicle, okay? And at the end of the video, I will go over some of the imperfections, but for now, I think we should take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a very efficient 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. As you can see, nice clean engine bay, clear of any debris, leaks, or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. And if you're still with me, you might just be interested in this vehicle, and this part is for you. This is where I'm going to go over any dents, dings, or imperfections this vehicle may or may not have. This is a very useful resource for people further away that have a lot of traveling to do. A lot of customers come from 2, 3, 4 hours away, and this is the way they can look at what they're getting into before they make the drive. We are very transparent here at All Things Automotive. Started up front here, you can see you do have some stone chips on the front of the hood. You will notice some blemishes here. Okay, they are not perfect. Keep in mind, people, these are pre-owned vehicles. We like to make them as new as possible here at All Things Automotive. Minimal chipping on the chrome. Sorry, you can see my reflection there. Again, the brushed aluminum, very good shape. No hazing on the headlights or the fog lights right there. Okay, I didn't see any curb rash on that nice wheel. I do enjoy that Mitsubishi put the upgraded alloy wheel here on the SE. Okay, chrome trim here, everything looks good. Some minor blemishing on the mirror cap. And I'm coming up the passenger side here. You always have some light blemishes here behind the door handle. You will notice some wear and tear on these door posts out here. Also on this outer trim, you will see some discoloration here, so to speak. Okay, roof, no dents or dings or anything like that. I do see a nice blemish here. This is on the back here of the passenger side by the lift gate. And then there's another one right there. We do price these accordingly. On the inside, I didn't see anything alarming. Okay, very nice clean interior on the inside. Some blemishes there with cargo going in and out. Sometimes you just can't help that. And then some scuffs along there as well. But the skid plate, the hard plastic trim around that is fairly decent. Coming around to the driver's side, around the fuel tank and the fuel lid, everything is good. Again, you will have some discoloration on this covering here over the door post. All in all, very good shape. If you have any questions, give us a call here, 717-485-4224. Or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7, or you can come out to 21518 Great Cove Road. Just in recap, guys, if you're looking for a very fuel efficient, four-wheel drive, mid to compact SUV with a lot of safety features, give us a call. We took a look at a 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Okay, 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, all-wheel drive. For more information, again, allthingsautomotive.com, or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informational. Have a great day.